Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the Android Power Car screen. It runs an Android 8.0. It comes with antenna and all the cables for the installation. I'm going to show you how to install. It's very simple. And I'm also going to demonstrate how it works. So let's check it out. Okay, we have the screen right here. It's running Android 8.0. So all the applications you can download on Android, you can download here from the Google Play Store. Here's all the applications we have installed, and here are just the applications from the car. It's very simple to move them around, customize it the way you want it. We have the maps, YouTube, and everything you can download here. Let's check the Bluetooth. I'm already paired my phone here. Let's play some songs. And actually, you can play while you do other stuff. Okay, so let's stop the song. And let's go back to the menu. Here we have all the open applications, just like a normal Android. We have a USB here, and auxiliary, and volume for easy access here. So, check it out. So this is it for today.
Please pay attention.